So I am going to use this juice bottle to make a tiny greenhouse. I have a big greenhouse, but I mentioned this to a friend and they were interested in how I did it, so I figured if I make a video, I'll just share it with everybody. So first, I like to take my little cover off. I've cleaned it out with some vinegar water. I rinsed out all the apple juice, that little, remnants of apple juice, and then I use a little vinegar water to rinse it again because I don't want a bunch of mold growing in here because of the apple juice sugar. Okay, I'll keep my little top. I'm gonna label what's in here on the top in a little bit. I don't have any super sharp scissors that I can find right now, so I'm just gonna use my little janky knife that I have. And I'm gonna cut about here in the middle, right here. So here it is so far. It doesn't have to be perfect. I left that little piece there because I didn't want to cut my hand. Again, I said I couldn't find my craft scissors before this video. Stupid Nat. And so I'm literally using my kids' safety scissors, and it cuts right through. Now I have my two halves. This is the half that I'm going to put my soil and all that good stuff in. Today I'm planting broccoli seeds. I want to show you first how to prep this before I put seeds in here, how to prep this top so that it'll fit over here easily. You're not fighting it. So I just cut around in the middle of these sides, then in the middle of the shorter side, and then I like to do the corners. You probably don't have to do the corners, but that's easy for me, so I like to do that. And you end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cuts. And when you do that, it has some give and it'll attach, and you get your little greenhouse, and it's so cute. Because it's clear plastic, and it'll fog and all that good stuff, I just like to write on a white top. You don't have to. You can see with Sharpie right here, it'd be fine, but I just like to write on the white top because it's easier for me. Okie doke. So before I put my soil in, I like to see whether or not coffee grounds are a good fertilizer for whatever plant I'm planting, and I looked up for broccoli, and used coffee grounds are good, so I just put them at the bottom so that they can just slowly release. And I also have these little pots that I got from the Dollar Tree for seedlings. You don't have to have those. You can use toilet paper tubes. I have literally used the some cardboard from the party pack box from Taco Bell and cut it to where it was like this. And I have 4 different little sections, and I'll probably take a picture of those seedlings and include them so you can see. But the cucumber, they're growing with the little Taco Bell shelving or whatever I made. But I did use the little 2 pots that I got from the Dollar Tree to put in here. I'm going to add soil and my seeds, and then I will show you what that looks like. Okie doke. So I've got it planted. I've watered it with a little rainwater that I've collected, but again, you ain't got to do all that. You can just use tap water. And here it is. It's probably can't see it all that good, but that dusting on top of it, that is just cinnamon, because I want to deter any fungal growth from the wetness. Now I'm going to put my little top on here, and boom, you got a greenhouse. You can set this in your kitchen. You can set it on top of the refrigerator where it's warm. I like to set my little mini greenhouses like this that I make out of juice bottles and water bottles. I like to set them on the back of my sink because I always keep that sink light on for the most part, and so I like to sit it back there. Today I didn't transplant. I just transferred, I guess, all of my little greenhouses that I made a couple of days ago to the big greenhouse, so that I could have some more space in the kitchen. So this little baby, broccoli baby, is gonna go on the back of my sink, and that's it. You don't have to have a lot of money to start seeds. Hope this helped. See there, cucumbers on the 24th. Literally, hold on, I'm gonna open it. I was gonna open it, god dog. Well, y'all gonna look through this top hole right now because I'm using one hand. Look, a little baby. There you go. Growing. There you are.